How to unblock someone on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can unblock someone on Facebook app. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is open up the Facebook app. You'll get an interface like this. Now simply tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can find at the top right corner of your screen below the messenger icon. Simply tap on it and then here scroll down below and head into settings and privacy, and under it head into settings. Now once on settings and privacy, you'll find an interface like this. Simply scroll down below and under audience and visibility you can see the option blocking right there. You can see it above the active status option, the blocking option, and below the profile and tagging option. Simply tap on blocking and you'll find all your block list here. Now to unblock someone, what you can do is simply tap on the unblock option that you can see along with the username. Now at the left hand side you'll be able to see the username, and at the right hand side along with the username on the same line you'll be able to see the unblock option. Simply tap on the unblock option on the user that you want to unblock and then simply tap on unblock again, and this user will get unblocked. So this way you can unblock on Facebook app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.